Muslims are often subject to constant surveillance.
The Site Intelligence Group, a counterterrorism organization which monitors extremist videos in cyberspace, has captured a 51-minute video which it says was put together by the extremist group Al-Shabaab and released on Twitter on Friday.
Donald J. Trump.
The video shows a clip of Donald Trump on the campaign trail following the San Bernardino shooting, when he called for a total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the U.S.
Figure out what is going on.
Slowly but surely.
The short clip is bracketed by a recorded speech years old of Anwar al-Awlaki, one of the most prominent English-language recruiters for al-Qaeda, who was killed by a U.S. drone strike in Yemen in 2011.
We will recount some of the stories.
And it features a story of several Americans from Minnesota who joined al-Shabaab and were killed in the fighting in Somalia, holding them up as examples to be followed.
Donald Trump
was rebuked by both Democratic and Republican candidates for his controversial proposal.
The rhetoric coming from the Republicans, particularly Donald Trump.
Democratic frontrunner Hillary Clinton claimed the Islamic State group, a different extremist organization, was using those sorts of remarks to recruit followers.
He is becoming ISIS's best recruiter.
A claim that brought a swift rebuttal by the GOP frontrunner, as he called her a liar. Ned Barker, The Associated Press.